I'm Mike Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. Today we're going to discuss some tower ladder water operations, okay? Earlier we discussed about placement of the apparatus. One, the tower ladder. It's a portable monitor nozzle, okay? It's quick and easy. You hook a line up into the rig and we're ready to flow water. We've covered enough scrub area with the cab away that we can attack numerous stores. We have the ability to put this tower ladder close to the ground and sweep the front of the building. We want to do this early in an operation, okay? Years ago we talked about the 20-minute rule. About collapse of burning buildings, we had 20 minutes. With today's new lightweight construction, we're down less than 5 in some situations when we arrive on scene. So let's get this tower ladder in position that we could work. One of the things we're going to have to watch, we're going to have to watch the parapet. Right? Here's a great truck company tip. Let's get a member to go down to the end of the building and get a line on the parapet. We're going to watch and we're going to look for any cracks, bulging. We're also going to watch the way the smoke is pushing from the cracks in the brick if it's under pressure. We have heavy fire in the cockloft attic space. The other thing is when we're operating, the members always want to ensure that they have their safety belt on, okay? We have water. If we're booming left and right, the hydraulic pressure can move the boom. All right, so make sure we have our safety belts on. If we have a portable monitor nozzle that can be used by hand, we'll have one member operate the boom with our safety up on a turntable, and he can get down low, and we want to shoot further up and try to knock that suspended ceiling down quickly, or the tin, right? Does a couple things. Early in the operation, we're putting heavy water into the cockloft. It also is going to cool the structural steel. We want to prevent the steel from expanding and pushing the building down. Right? So let's get this thing low in the operation and quickly douse that ceiling, drop it. It makes less overhaul, and we have good water penetration into the cockloft area. With this monitor nozzle, we can see that it's manually operated. A lot of times we might have electronic controls. When we're sweeping store to store, it's very easy with the manual to quickly slide it over to another store. With the electronic gun, we might have to go from a straight stream to a narrow fog. Yes, I know it moves some air, but we don't want the stream penetrating off the brick or the parapet and coming back and hitting us, okay? So we might have to distribute the stream in a different pattern when we move store to store. Remember, we sent a radio-equipped member down to the edge of the building, okay? He's maintaining a quick view of the parapet. He wants to look for bulging, any cracks, distortion. He's going to radio the incident commander if we have a problem and a collapse. We can warn the operations in front of the building, and we can move those members out of the collapse zone. While he's performing this, he also might pick up the roof truss sign, okay? If that hasn't been picked up early in the fire, he could radio the incident commander and inform him that we have a truss roof. When we're sizing up these buildings in your area, look for these placards to identify truss roof construction. We're going to go over a quick tool tip when we're operating at taxpayers or strip malls, okay? Normally we're real fast to grab that 6-foot hook and a Halligan tool, 2 hands, 2 tools. We discussed that earlier. But when we're in commercial occupancies, as we can see, 10 8-foot ceilings, we're going to have to grab a larger, longer length hook to reach those ceilings. We can tell also by the height of the window how high the ceiling is. Not only that, when we use this hook, it gives us more reach to be further away to ventilate a window. All right, so just don't jump off the rig and say 6-foot hook all the time. Identify the occupancy you're operating at and grab the appropriate tool. All right, the double donut roll. It's going to assist the tower ladder in stretching its hose line when we're moving, okay? 2 firefighters can come quickly and deploy this thing. What they'll do is they're just going to grab it. They're going to lay it on the ground, okay? One firefighter is going to grab this end, and he can walk as the truck is going to a better position. The other one can grab this end, and he can walk and connect it to the other line. You'll watch how easy it deploys, okay? No kinks, it didn't go under a parked car, and we're able to move the apparatus up quickly while we're still stretching more supply line. I'm Mike Ciampo. Thanks for watching this segment of Training Minutes on Tower Ladder Water Operations.